Hello parents, just wanted to log in to show you a quick way for you to go in and pull up your students' homework. Now, you'll be able to play this video over and over. I'm working through getting systems so that they can turn everything and submit everything online. So let's give it a shot. First things first, you need to go to clever.com. That's CLEVER.com. From there, and now I'm going to show you, I've actually used the students real quick just to show you. So from there, you're going to scroll down. It's going to pull up basically like this. It's going to show Imagine Math and those things. If you scroll down, it says DSD Canvas. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once your student has their device there, or if they're using the same computer at home, it should just log them in automatically. Okay, so you will go in and you will use their MyDSD email, which is their username, starts with a 30, then usually their first initial and last name at go.dsdmail.net. Now that's on a card that I took a picture and sent it to you in class tag. All right, from there, you'll see this screen here. Of course, I'll choose our class, third grade, and right here you'll see all of our wonderful assignments. Now, changing things a little bit, this is where they're going to go to our meeting when we do Clever meetings or Zoom meetings on Fridays. Actually right there. Oh, that other one's extra. All right, so if you scroll all the way down, you'll see where their assignments are. So there's Meet Joe Spud, there's Math 1.1. So in order to do this, let's go ahead, Math 1.1, let me just look at that really quick and see if it's where I want it to be. All right, it is. So do you see where it says Submit Assignment? That's where you would go to submit it once you've done it. You'd attach it there. And I'm not sure why his is showing the assignment right there. Let me see if I can, there we go. All right, so this is what you should see when you click on the assignment. Notice right underneath instructions it says Lesson. If you click on Lesson, that's gonna pull up the Nearpod. So I've built the lessons on Nearpod. They'll go in, they'll just put in their username or just their first name, and they'll be able to go through the lesson. Here we go. They should know how to do that. If you can get to this part, you're good to go because Nearpods are pretty self-explanatory. Let me go back to the lesson here. So on 1.1, it does not have that listed. So let me go back to another assignment really quick. Let's go to Math 1.2 because that one is updated. Let's see, assignment 1.2. Okay, so if they go to Math 1.2, you can see, same spot, there's the lesson, but there's the worksheet. If you click on the worksheet, it's gonna pull up the worksheet right here on Safari. Now, if you look right up by the address bar, there's a box with an arrow pointing up. If you click that, it's gonna ask them to save it to their iPad. So, I like them to save it to their iPad by going to Save to Files. Okay, it's right there. Save it to Downloads. Once you click Downloads, you click Save. Okay, now it's on my iPad. So now all I have to do is pull it up. To pull that up, press the Home button on the iPad. Depending on your device, this might be a little different. From there, do you see on the bottom, it's got the white with the blue folder? Click on the folder, and right there it says Math 1.2. Is that the only one I've got? That's the only one I've got. So I click Download. It pulls it up. Up on that top right, you see the circle with a pen in it. If I click that, there's all their tools. They can use any color but red. And then they can write their name right on the iPad. And then they can do their homework below. Now when you're done, once everything's on there, this saves real time. So whatever is drawn on there is saved. They click Done. Okay, you can go back to, if you press the Home button twice, you can go back to Safari, and let's see, let's go back to the lesson. Please still be there. It is. Okay, so here, now his says resubmit assignment. He's already submitted it, so he's already got the points. I'm just gonna click that now just to show you. If I click that now, it's not gonna let me do it. Generally though, when it says submit, you'll click submit, and then you will attach the file from the iPad and then click submit. hope that answers your questions on how to do this one. It's going to be very similar on the other assignments, again, we're doing chapter 2 of Billionaire Boy in class with the first group, last name A through J. But for today, the class that was in did get that done, but they do need to go in and do their math, which was 1.3. Should be easy enough. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And, let me just show you really quick here. If I go to assignment 3, see it says submit assignment. If you click submit assignment, that's where he'll click choose file. And it's always gonna be, if you click browse, he can find them right there. So there's the ones that have been loaded. So that was 1.2 that we just worked on. You can see it's got my work right there. It won't pull it up big. So anyways, that's how you would do it. If you have any problems or any questions, please let me know. Feel free to email me, send me a message on class tag, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. It's a little bit different on Billionaire Boy. It goes to a Google Doc that they'll fill in the blanks. Any questions, let me know. Have a great evening.